Welcome to our daily roundup of CES 2018, and I am Sheldon Pinto. It's CES 2018 and the coolest gadget we've seen so far is the Foldimate. The Foldimate will fold between 20 to 40 clothes in a span of 2 to 4 minutes, which is quite impressive. Basically, every hostel should order one already. For just Rs 62,000, we'll throw in the towel on this one. Electric cars have yet to become mainstream, but CES 2018 is totally dominated by these. Chinese car maker, or should I say unknown Chinese car maker Byton, who comes up with these names, has come up with a new eSUV that looks like it belongs to another planet. Once you get past that modern exterior, you go to the interiors and then be amazed by that massive display. It takes up the entire dashboard of the SUV. Apart from Chinese automaker Byton, there was also Frisco Automotive that showed up with its eMotion EV. I mean, just look at it. Apart from the autonomous driving goodies, it also brings 4 scissor doors and a 600-kilometer driving range. Impressive? Yes. But is it coming to India? We don't know. And I have left the coolest news from CES for the last. A South Korean startup will now let you place and answer calls like a spy. And you don't even need a phone to do that. A device called the Signal basically lets you place and answer calls by simply holding your fingers to your ears. You hear callers through your fingertips as the device passes vibrations from the wrist to your fingers and into your ears. Holy cannelloni, I want one already. And that's about it for day 0 at CES 2018.